Chapter 3, Coordinate Geometry. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is sign convention. Now this sign convention basically tells us the signs of coordinates in different quadrants. Now we are already aware of the 4 quadrants. Let us go through a quick recap. This is the x-axis, that is xx dash. This is the y-axis, that is y dash. Now there are 4 quadrants, we already know. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. These are the 4 quadrants. Now whenever we consider sign convention, we take them in ordered pair. Ordered pair means x comma y, because x and y, they are pair. We take the sign of x first, then we take sign of y. Now let me concentrate on this first quadrant, that is this region over here. Now in the first quadrant, if I observe properly, my x is this part and my y is this part. So I can clearly see that this x, all the terms are positive over here. Similarly on y, all the numbers are positive. So I say that the signs in the first quadrant are plus plus. That is, x is also plus and y is also plus. Similarly, so this is the region in the second quadrant. I can clearly see that in the second quadrant, this is the x-axis that I need to consider, and this is the y-axis that I need to consider. The numbers on the x-axis are negative and the numbers on the y-axis are positive. Therefore, we can say that the signs in the second quadrant are minus plus. The signs in the second quadrant are minus plus. The third quadrant, then this will be my x, this will be my y. I can see that x is also negative, y is also negative. Therefore, the signs in the third quadrants will be minus minus. And finally, in the fourth quadrant, this is x that I have to take. So x is positive, y is negative. Therefore, I can say that the signs in the fourth quadrant are plus minus. These are the different signs in fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, the signs are plus plus. Second quadrant minus plus. Third quadrant minus minus. Fourth quadrant plus minus. Let us repeat this entire structure once again. So this is the chart that you need to remember. In the first quadrant, we know that x is positive, y is positive, therefore the signs are plus plus. In the second quadrant, this is the region, x is negative, y is positive, therefore the signs are minus plus. In the third quadrant, we can see that x is negative, y is negative, therefore the signs are minus minus. And in the fourth quadrant, we can see that x is positive, y is negative, therefore the signs are plus minus.